Welcome to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and today I am working up some vegetables. I don't know if y'all can see this. I think you can. We have rhubarb. Now, we didn't grow it. We're not in the right zones for it, but I have discovered rhubarb, and it's hard to find. So I was at Walmart the other day, and I saw that they had 5 bunches of them, and I bought all 5. But of course, I can't use up this much of it, because from here to here and this high at one time. But I want to make sure I have some around whenever I'm in the mood for a rhubarb crisp or a pie or for making some jelly or something. So I just went ahead and bought it up. And I have some celery that I had left over. I bought it to make a stock, and I had some left over. I have some carrots. I didn't use all of them. So we're just going to do some chopping and some sealing and freezing and have it ready. Now, there's some debate on whether frozen rhubarb is as good as fresh. So I guess we will find out. We're just going to start here. I'm going to take off any, bad spots. And it's kind of stringy. My husband and I actually tried it raw. Yeah, no. It was really not that good raw. But in the crisp, oh my gracious, it was just delicious. Beautiful red color. And I'm just going to cut off the ends, and that can go in the compost or to the chickens. And I'm just going to try to cut about 1 inch, ½ to 1 inch slices. And it's probably going to take me a little while to get through all this. So I think I'll turn on some TV and work, and I'll come back when we're done and we're sealing and storing them. Okay, away we go. I think this might be a good job for one of my kids to come and help with, huh? That's going to be so good in a crisp. One stalk down, and I don't know how many more to go. This should be fun. And if it's not fun, it will be delicious when we're done. So I have finished. Check this out. Oh, all of that. And I kept a very full 4-cup measure for making a crisp. May not make it tonight, though. I'm starting to get worn out. I have some carrots. It wasn't much, just 3 or 4. And then my son, Dave, he came out and was talking to me. And I was like, well, if you're going to be in here talking, grab a knife. So he helped me with the celery. And now I'm going to pull out my Nesco Vacuum Sealer, which is awesome. I'm just going to put the rhubarb I'm going to use. And I'm going to make a big crisp because it's so good. I had asked on Facebook if any of my friends had any rhubarb recipes because I was wanting to try rhubarb. And a good friend of mine from college, he sent me his grandmother's recipe. So I can't share that until I ask him for his permission. But just, oh, it was super good. Super good. So what I'm going to do, and I'm thinking of soups for my celery and my carrots. But I'm figuring about 4 cups of the rhubarb, because that's what most of my recipes that I've been I've actually found some recipes online and different things, and 4 cups seems reasonable. If it's a small recipe, I'll just double it, you know. If there's more than what I need, well, I guess I'll have to find something else to make, but super good. And this is so easy to do. So I'm going to pull out, let's see, the carrots. This is the hardest part, is deciding how big you want your bag to be. And I don't know if I made that big enough, but we're going to try. And I'm just going to put that right. Right. I don't want it all the way up. Let's do it this way. So I just need it sealed. And I'm going to manual seal. It takes a second or two to get warmed up. And that's ready. I've got me a little sealer. So let's put the carrots in. And I'm just going to do all the carrots. I like carrots. I'm going to try to even them out just a little bit. And I actually want the sealing to be up a little bit. Let you guys see how easy this thing is to use and how awesome it is. It's really going to help with the whole preserving. And what I just did, I changed it so it has a double seal. And this time I want to vacuum. A longer one. I love that. It's almost as wonderful as hearing the ping as your jars are sealing. And I have my carrots ready for soup whenever I'm ready to make it. But I think I want to change sizes for the rhubarb. Just have a drawer here and I'll put them in. And I believe it goes this way. And I'm probably going to want a bigger bag. I'm just guessing on here. This is the first time for me here, so. And then I'm going to close that down. And this time it is a triple seal, so yay. Manual seal. Oh, I have to wait. While I'm waiting, there we go. I'm thinking 4 cups. See, now I've got a double seal down there. Right, so let's pour these in. And then I'll write, you need to write before you do this, but I forgot. So I'll manage to write on here what it is, when, the date, and how much. So let's just pour it. I don't think I did too bad on that one, huh? Maybe a little bit too big. Now, my husband told me how to do this part, so fingers crossed that I can do it. He said because it's got liquid, I am probably going to want to pulse it. And he was so cute. He's like, you know, I can do that for you. I was like, no, I probably need to do it myself. Because the liquid, if it comes up and gets in between for that seal, it won't seal properly. So, pulse vacuum. I'm not seeing any liquid coming up, so let's do that. Now I'm seeing the liquid. See how I did. I did see some liquid coming up, but I think we did okay. Yeah, hey, there we go. Ta-da! And of course, if you want to be on the safe side, do another one, which is what I'm going to do, just because I'm silly. This time just do manual seal. But that is what I'm going to do with the rest of this bucket. And I will just put my 4 plus, you know, a good healthy 4 cups of the rhubarb into a bag, put it in the refrigerator. And tonight, tomorrow, Crazy Dave's crew is going to be having some rhubarb crisp. Well, I'm pretty excited. I love the fact that we've discovered a new vegetable to eat. I'm looking forward to trying to find something other than just desserts to use it in. It's very colorful, it's very pretty, and really tastes good when it's cooked. I did not care for it raw. Well, I've got a little bit of busy work to do. I need to finish up this basket. I need to do the celery, and then have some kids help me carry, you know, I'll just tell them to carry it downstairs and put it in the freezer, and it'll be there when I'm ready for soups or stock or more pies and crisps. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you'll come back to Crazy Dave's Crew. And don't forget to check out our other channel, DIY Dave and Company. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.